Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are coffee roastery postcard template. You can easily download from the link in the description, or you can simply search my website by GFX, and here in this article you can download from here. And here are the URL file you need to extract this, and here it is: coffee roastery WCT format and EPS format. This is an EPS format front of the card, and this is the back of the card. And here is the illustrator format. You will see these are completely customizable. You can put your own branding, your own style, your own location, so on. Here this is in lobster format. You can see completely customizable. You can customize it here. Here this is. You can see. You can put your own barcode here also, and so on. I know you can do this. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.